So this video is about using Cursor AI to go ahead and make DevSecOps and DevOps pipelines. So I'm just giving it a quick review and like first impressions. I have to say it's decent at creating it. Like we all know, like when it comes to creating something using ChatGPT or any type of AI, it's not perfect. So when pushing this into GitHub and into my repositories, of course I'm running into different errors I'm having to fix, and then using ChatGPT to kind of mitigate through them and find solutions to it. But at the end of the day, AI is AI right now. It's not perfect, it's not foolproof, but it will give you the framework you can work with, the bare bones of what you can work with. So it gives you all of the things you need, like Sneak, Aikido. I asked for these things, SemGrep, and you can put them into the pipeline. I'm just seeing that number one, these things kind of work better when you just integrate them using the apps themselves. So like just going to Sneak and integrating your GitHub or your Azure DevOps or your GitLab, going to Aikido doing the same thing, going to SemGrep doing the same thing, and then you have a pretty good account of what's going on and what you can do from there, and just work everything from there and just do all your vulnerability management as needed. Now, when it comes to something like Docker scanning, IAC, of course, you can also do that from Sneak or Aikido, but these tools are free, and like things like DevSec, things like that, Chekhov. I'm not super familiar with them. As I go through the pipeline and get a bit more familiar, I was making some mistakes with the pipeline earlier, so it kind of shut down on me. But as I analyze the results and get more familiar with the interfaces, I'll kind of have a better idea of like what's going on with the IAC from a TFSec perspective or a Chekhov perspective, and understanding, could this be a free alternative? Is it better to just do it from a free alternative? Because I know that Sneak and Aikido, eventually they run out of space for Docker scanning or IAC scanning, where they ask you for extra money, things like that. So just trying to evaluate there, especially as a engineer doing this from his home machine. Now, if it's from my enterprise where I work or where an engineer works, of course it's going to look a bit different, where you have a bit more budget for the extra things that come with Sneak and the tools that you're using. But that's just a quick overview of using Cursor AI to develop DevSecOps pipelines. Of course, I did ask for a DevOps pipeline as well. I'm going to have to go through and accept it, but I'm just going to do the same thing, try to implant it into my repo, check what it's doing exactly. Like, I'm more familiar with DevSecOps and not DevOps, but a lot of the processes are similar. I can read this and kind of tell what it's doing, and just go through, see where the mistakes are, what can be edited, and what can be optimized, because of course AI just spits out the first thing it sees. It doesn't really think about context too much. But that's really it, and I'll start posting more videos using Cursor. I guess I'll try Windsurf as well, but that's a different video for a different time. All right, thanks.